Hello from Slovenia again. Today we will cook. No, we will not, but this is the painting that I show you a photo in my community section, but I somehow delete this video. I don't know how, but it's gone. So I have to do another one. I will use different colors, but the same technique. So I will use this saucepan for dipping, and I have a little larger canvas today. This is 25 centimeters by 30, and this is my base coat, and it's a mixture of titanium white, my pouring medium, it's pretty thin as you can see, and polyurethane satin varnish. I use this to get this little different effect, so I will pour this on, spread it, and then we can start. This technique is similar as mallet smash or hammer smash, but because you have a little larger surface on the saucepan, you get a little more, I don't know how to say this, a little different result. I will show you. I like this effects that I get with this. I just have to grab some paper towels. I forgot to prepare it. So I will just tilt this a little bit, that I will have all my sides covered, and evenly spread it paint, because you will lift some paint with your saucepan. I think that this is the right word. I don't know if this is a saucepan. I think that it is. It's some kind of pan. I think that it's a sauce, and the right word for this. Okay, wipe my hands a little bit and torch this to pop up these air bubbles. So in the next year, when I will do live videos, you can tell me what you want to see. We can mix this base coat together to see what will happen. Then my pearl mixture. So, and I think that I will do 3 puddles like this. This is yellowish green, and of course my pearl white. permanent magenta. And windsor blue. And I will add some of this opera rose too. Whoops. Just a second. I have to grab a skewer because I just see some hairs in here that I want to get them out. Another one. This is how it is if you have cats and dogs. And some of this pearl white again. And this is manganese phthalo blue. And here we go. My pen, dip, and I have to wipe this off a little bit. It's as simple as that. I just want to bring a little more paint out. So, and then you can use your fingers to fix some areas that maybe you don't like. So let's torch this a little bit. And see what will happen. I just want to fix this a little bit. And maybe a skewer. You can use a skewer to fix some of these areas. So and I think that I will leave, or maybe I should have some of the some more of the interest here, but I don't want to ruin I kind of like this effects here too, so I will probably just leave it like it is. You will see when I will show you a close-up. It has so much beautiful details. I just love it. I'm just not sure about this part, but just adding some paint here because it's not enough paint here. Quite a lot of paint on this place here. I hope that it will dry okay. Just thinking to maybe add something here, I don't know, but I'm just afraid that I will lose all the other beautiful details here, so I will leave it. This is just the second attempt that I did with this technique, so we can improve and do maybe a little more, a little fuller, or how can I say, I will just try to put some paint here and tap it in with my finger and see what will happen. Just here, because I think that I need something here. Or maybe I will try to use this. No, I don't like this at all. I will just leave it like it is and take you for a close-up. Just not happy with this, so this will be okay. See these beautiful details, that these veins. Just try to slow this one. I really like this. So this is this part when paints are a little softer, but get this beautiful lacing. I don't know, it's this only the mixture for my base, or it's combination with pearl white, but this combination is just gorgeous because you get this beautiful petal details, and I think it's just gorgeous. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think about this painting with a saucepan. I think that it's worth to play with it some more. So I'm happy with this one too. If you like it, please subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, share on your social medias. So that's how you can help me to continue produce these art videos for you. And have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye!